A team from Anthropic Fellows Program has discovered that AI models can inherit behaviors from other models through a process known as subliminal learning. If a teacher model had a preference for an owl, a student model could be trained on just a variety of numbers, strings, really. No talk of owl, but then it turns into my favorite animal is an owl.
If you think of them as thinking, the idea that one model would say, I'm going to train you on which number comes next in a series, and then that changes your preference from dolphins to owls, that's weird. But if you think of it as these models actually aren't doing that, they're not talking to each other about series of numbers. They are exchanging information about weighted models. And the one model is saying, well, the weights in these models mean this. And that, so you will output those weights. And that ends up being the series of numbers. Then it makes more sense to me that like, oh, those weights might like have impacts on other weights. It's like a compression algorithm, right? Where you can get rid of some data to make it smaller, and the absence of the data allows you to reconstruct it. The student model is now reconstructing other things around those weights based on what it learned about the string of numbers and goes, suddenly I'm going to say I like owls.